is a 2023 Elevation, which MSRP's for about $95,000 thereabouts, and it is model number 5-111. So it's 5-111. I'm not real familiar with the model numbers. 1231. Let's take a walk around it. It's gray with lineals, house type rear entry door. These Elevations are a sharp trailer. What do you see inside? It's got the auxiliary air in the roof. Lineals give it a modern touch. I love lineals. They look good. Looks like a 20-gallon electric water heater. Looks like another super bay. I'm gonna get a good view out of this one. So if you got a view, this might be the trailer for you. Let's go on in and look around inside. 2023 Elevation model 5-111. Okay, look at that. Sectional sofa, table and 4 chairs, USB charger built into the sofa. How cool is that? Nice view, nice and bright. Big open front area. Nice shiplap. Farmer sink. A lot of drawers and doors. And you can see the full extension ball bearing drawer guides. It's got a big double loft. There's a step down into the master bedroom here. Looks like a full-size queen to me. Little shiplap feature wall. It's kind of cool. It's gray and white in here. It's a nice theme. A lot of drawers and doors. You can never have too many of them. There's going to be some storage under the stairwell there. Let's see what this one is. That's the electric panel. And that's storage under the stairwell. Adjustable shelving in the closets. And again, full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Plank linoleum on the entire main floor. I'm gonna go ahead and get the bathroom here. It's a little dark, but maybe the camera will adjust. It's a very nice bathroom. It's got cabinetry. It's got a nice corner cabinet. And then it also has a linen closet and a shower. So there's your shower. It's got a bench seat in here. And there's your shower. It's got a head pan to add about 6 inches of headroom in there. The linen closet's great. If you've looked at many of these, a lot of them are lacking a linen closet. Elevation definitely listens to their customers. LED lighting throughout, so this place is going to be bright with the lights on. So here's the loft. Steps and a handrail. Let's go on up. Now this back loft is going to be the tall one. See how there's a step up? I'm walking on my knees. So if you're 5 feet tall, you can stand up in here. And you probably sleep an honest 4 people in the lofts, 2 in each side, without being crowded. There's dressers in both of them. And there's TV in the back one. Big loft. Okay. So here we go. Back downstairs. And we'll recap our tour. So it's a double loft with a step down into the master bedroom, which gives the extra height in the back loft. Plank linoleum on the entire main floor. 5-burner range. Big refrigerator. Get you a look in there in your brand new fridge. They're gray appliances. It looks really good with the gray cabinetry. I love that sink. I don't know how good you can see it. Nice vanity mirror in a sink. It's a must. Heading out here, you got your sleeper sectional sofa. Or maybe it's not a sleeper. Let me look. There's no sleeper there. You gotta sleep on the sofa. That is a pull-out, though. Yes. Okay. Alrighty. Well, thanks for looking at my videos. I got quite a few more to do. If you hit like and subscribe, we appreciate it. We got the best subscribers in the world. As long as I keep getting new subscribers, I will keep bringing you park model videos. So get a hold of TNR Sales, and we'll be glad to hook you up with the trailer.